In this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest system ever. You can also visit the link below this video in the description to learn more about the easiest system ever. Hey everyone, welcome to my review of easiestsystemaver.com. Today we'll be talking about this website that claims to help you earn money online, and we'll be discussing its pros and cons. easiestsystemaver.com is a website that claims to help you make money online through a simple and easy to follow system. The website offers training videos, tools, and resources to help you start your own online business and achieve financial freedom. Pros. The system is very simple and easy to follow, even for beginners. The website provides step-by-step guidance through training videos, making it easy for anyone to understand. easiestsystemaver.com provides you with all the necessary tools and resources to start your online business, including website templates, email marketing software, and more. The customer support team is very responsive and helpful. They are always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. easiestsystemaver.com offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the system, you can request a refund within 30 days of your purchase. The cost of the system is relatively high compared to other similar programs in the market. However, the website claims that the system's high price is justified by the amount of value it provides. The system is very structured, which can limit your creativity and flexibility in running your online business. Although the website claims that you don't need any prior experience to use the system, you do need to invest some money to get started. This can be a barrier for some people who are on a tight budget. easiestsystemaver.com is a great option for anyone who wants to start an online business and is willing to invest some money. The system is very easy to use and provides you with all the necessary tools and resources. Overall, easiestsystemaver.com is a good choice for those who are looking for a simple and easy way to start an online business. Is easiestsystemaver.com a scam? No, it's a legitimate website that offers a system to help you start an online business. The system is very easy to use and is suitable for beginners. Thanks for watching. You can also visit the link below this video in the description to learn more.